my friend. I just wanna know if you can. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
Make sure to like, follow.
Period.
Straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight. I just wanna know if you my friend.
Hi. Oh my gosh. Where do I even start? New week, new month, new day, new man, same God. I'm back. Oh my Lord, where do I even start? I look at this. I just woke up. I'm going to school. I'm just gonna prepare to go to school. I'm just gonna take a bath and then get dressed. But obviously, I can't show you because I don't have my tripod, the long tripod. So filming is just gonna be a doozy. But until I get my tripod, then I'm gonna just do like full get ready with me's and all that, because now like there's nothing I can really do about it. But oh my Lord, I know you guys are like, you said you were gonna be consistent, but the only thing that you are consistent in is disappearing. I am sorry. I'm sorry. Anyway, the reason why is because my phone broke. Okay, it decided to commit suicide. Okay, so now I got a new phone. Upgrade you, let me upgrade you. I got upgraded, child. Yeah. So anyway, it's Monday. I'm not sure what time it is. Almost 6:30. I need to leave by 6:30. I woke up late. But anyway, I'll just take you guys with me to school. There's a lot we need to catch up on, but I'm still waiting for my Wi-Fi. I ordered. Oh my Lord, I don't even know how to explain this. I ordered a Wi-Fi. I paid for it. I even paid for the last 5 days of August, and it still hasn't arrived. MTN, if I catch you. But anyways, I'll see you later. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm so sorry for disappearing. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. See you at school. This is the finished look on my face. I can't show you my whole outfit, but I'm wearing my uniform. I stained my but it's okay. This is the finished look. I'm not doing a full face of makeup, just an eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put on red lips later. I just want to protect my lips with the gloss because they do get dry with this lipstick. But I'm late. I was supposed to be out of here by 6:30 and it's 6:47 last I checked. So bye. I'll see you at school. This is my makeup lecturer, so I'm sure she's like, where's the makeup? Honey, you know I hate makeup. Well, I don't hate it, but I can't wear makeup every day. Every day? Hell no. Week. And a lot has been happening. I feel like I need to do a sit down, but I don't like those. Because I feel like once I do a sit down, it's like a curse. Then my skin. But anyway, I am in school now. To be honest, I'm really enjoying school here. I'm really enjoying school. Like there's some bad things that have happened, but I'm also over it now. And I don't even want to talk on it. Like it's fine. I'm over it. Where's the sun?
There we go. If I can film, I will. So, stay tuned.
I also thought I was late. Hi, beautiful.
Hey.
Did you miss me?
No.
Liar. I know you did.
Dad.
It's Tando. Come here, Charlie. Good morning. You know. It's nasty.
Go and change.
Show me. Someone wild, yes.
You only did my bed.
Imagine after relaxing and then now you have to get up and go
This is the end of today. We're doing business now. We're gonna leave at 15:45 and then we're out. I just fixed my makeup. I was looking a mess. I've been on my feet since 8 a.m. until like 12. I gave Uhappy a full body massage. I mean everything. And she has the nerve to say that she's more tired than me. Excuse you. Anyways, it's fine. This is where I'm gonna end it. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.
Bumping Fuji's.
Filthy. I'm a flash hard to kill me.
Period.
Handsome. Say she wanna fuck me cause I'm handsome.
I'm the type to get sassy on the bitch, put respect up on my name. Oh, I'm heavy in this bitch, yeah.
Handsome. Say she wanna fuck me cause I'm handsome.
Big chillin' with my foolies and we all cool. Hit 'em with the whole fully, we don't argue. You ain't hopping out on a mission, man, that's awful. You ain't counting money, checking chicken, man, that's awful. And I got a car full of them female fossils. Little baby, I can fool with it, take a job full. I be tripping sauce too, I done took a loss too. I done fell on my pocket, that's just what I'm up to. Ain't nothing to a full-time player on the deep end. Always on the deep end, I'm ballin' on the deep end. My H boom said he callin' on the deep end. I'm a pledge to the soul dollar with allegiance. But I'ma get sassy on the bitch. Hit her with the wham bam, break a levy on the bitch. Yeah, I lift the shirt up, then I do my dance. I get mashed for the camera.
The weather is gloomy. It's a shame for us single people. Cause who's gonna cuddle me? Nobody.
Sassy on the bitch, put respect up on my name. Oh, I'm heavy in this bitch, yeah.
Babe, you're getting there,
Say she
man.
wanna
You
fuck me
said,
cause I'm handsome.
you're getting there. You're getting there. Ciao, boy.
Pretty.
My thing.
Samsung.
It's cool. It's lunch. but it's almost, lunch is almost over. I'm coming from Happiness's Res. Okay, we went to buy chips first, and then we went to Happiness's Res to get her card because I had to use my transfer's cash to buy chips. Anyway, child, so I left the day because she was taking her time. Okay, like, I don't like, it's down there, so coming back is like an uphill walk, and then if you're late you have to literally run, you know. And I was like, girl, hurry up. And she wasn't hurrying up, and I was like, I'm gonna leave you. And she thought I was joking, and I left her because what, I don't know. But anyway, it's all, I wanted to go to the gym, right? And then when can you hear? I wish I could follow them, but anyway, sure. It's all. I woke up, no, even today actually. I woke up at midnight. I was supposed to go to the gym, and then you know what happened? I went to the gym. No, I stayed in bed until like 3, and then I went downstairs to go to the gym, and the gym was closed. And I was like, what the hell? This is supposed to be a 24-hour gym, so what's going on? And it was like literally dark. Like, I was like, oh my god. I didn't even want to ask the security because the security who was there at the time, I don't like him. I don't think he likes me. Like, he just annoys the yeah, he annoys me. So I just went back to sleep. I didn't sleep until like 3. So I went to the gym. No, I didn't. What time did I go to the gym? I can't remember. But anyway, turns out there's actually new machines, there's new equipment. I saw it in the morning. I was like, oh, what is that? It's new equipment, and I can't wait to use it. I don't know what it is yet because it's actually wrapped. Ew, I don't even know where the water is coming from. But the machine was wrapped. So I'm gonna check it out later when I go back. We had a practical, a surprise practical, and I bombed it because I actually don't know the back sequence like at all.
Why did you leave me? Tell me. Big Clang.
Hello, my baby. How are you?
Here for months and I've never seen this place. Alright. What's that? Cherry, don't ask. Cherry, don't What's on your forehead, man? Sideways. Yeah. A focus time. I look crazy.
Hi, it's Saturday. It's Saturday and oh, look at my nails. I experimented last night. Look, this is atrocious. This is also atrocious, but it was my first time doing shapes with acrylic, so I did good. Anyway, I'm sure you're probably wondering, like, why do you have earrings on? It's like almost 11. I was supposed to receive my Wi-Fi today. They said from 8, they'll deliver from 8 to 11, and it's almost 11 and I haven't received a call or anything. These people, you see MTN and DSV, I'm gonna sue. But anyways, like, I don't know, I feel like I'm romanticizing my life because I'm wearing earrings, my hair is looking pretty, and I'm only going downstairs to buy a pen. And I was cleaning looking like this. I don't want to show my bust. Anyway, let's go buy a pen downstairs. Treadmill in the middle, and then that other bikey thing in my barbecue, and then there's new because of this back fat. Okay, I have back fat. Just one lipo. That's it. I don't want to be here. I want to one lipo. I don't use this big back. I don't want to be a big back anymore. See that fat thing? This
I'm your man.